Hi, today we're building a PC. This is Transgender in Bikini Builds Gaming PC. Woo! But hold on, it's not like any other one. It's in a weird case. Look at this. Freaky, right? How freaky. Specs are here. They're pretty cool specs. Wow! Pretty nice. I like to start off with building directly onto the motherboard. I think this is just kind of what everyone recommends to do. It's the easiest way to start. We start off with the RAM. Yippee! So now, the processor. Ta-da! Okay, so now we're putting the motherboard onto the case. Yippee! It's the scary time now. It's family pace time. I hope you like my blob. I think it's okay. Okay, CPU done. It's GPU time. Let's go! Beefy boy. It's so big. Oh my goodness. Look at that. If you can't figure out how to mount something, just, use command strips. Building's done, so now it's just down to cable stuff. It took a while, but I think it's done. Anyways, let's turn it on. We got display, it works. Ta-da! It's alive and it's well, but it's booting. Don't look, oh god, it's so dirty.